Hello all, here is a simple code snippet which has just two printfs, and we are trying to print the size of null. Null is nothing but a null pointer in C programming, right? And then we have another printf where we are printing the size of just a literal which is not a string literal which is not defined. Okay, so it's just double quotes that are mentioned. Now, how should we analyze this? So first thing, null is nothing but basically a null pointer, okay, which is void star of 0. So this is what null pointer. Null pointer is nothing but which does not point to anything, doesn't have any address, right? So it's a null pointer. So null pointer and pointer basically points to an address. So if you have a 32-bit system, it points to a 32-bit address. If it's a 64-bit, it points to a 64-bit address, right? Now, depending on your system, the output could be 1 byte, 2 bytes, 4 bytes, 8 bytes, whatever. Generally, we see 4 bytes or 8 bytes, right? So, that is about the null. And then if you see size of columns, now this basically means that you have one character here which is char. You can mention suppose k or something, or if you mention a of 0 is equal to which is not defined. So a string literal in which nothing is defined and only one character is present. So the a string is comprising of characters, right? That means this represents a byte. So the output should be because we have a 32-bit system. So this could be 4 bytes and this could be 1 byte. Okay, let us try to print and see what comes. Okay, you can see here, this is 4 and this is 1. Now, the same thing, if we say char a of 0 is equal to nothing is defined. Okay, now let us try to print size of a of 0. Okay, we are not doing anything, just trying to print the size of a of 0 where nothing is defined here. Okay, so now when we try to print here, let us try to first run this, and you can see here, as we discussed, the size of this particular character is here 1 byte. Okay,